Looking for the perfect dash cam to protect yourself on the road? Whether you want crystal clear footage, advanced driver assistance, or cloud storage, we've got you covered. In today's video, we're counting down the top 6 best dash cams. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's get into it. At number 6, we have the NextBase 412 GW dash cam, the NextBase 422 GW records in 1440p with enhanced night vision, using a 140-degree wide-angle lens to capture a wider view of what's in front of your vehicle. Its primary sell point, though, is built-in Amazon Alexa support, which allows you to control smart home devices, place calls, find parking, and more through the dash cam. It has an emergency SOS feature that can connect to a car's backup camera and calls a pre-programmed number for help in case of a crash. This may be the first time I've come across this specific feature, though others, including the Escort Max Cam 360C and 70mm 4K A810, have rudimentary versions. The 2.5-inch touchscreen is relatively easy to use, and the app makes it easier to download and view footage via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, as well as access to other features. That said, I did have some issues getting the device to connect to the app multiple times. All in all, though, it's a robust package with a lot to offer if you have an Alexa-based smart home setup. Coming in at number 5 is the 70mm 4K A810 dash cam. The 70mm 4K A810 is a low-priced, feature-packed 2-affair with dual-channel recording that captures crisp HDR video across both its front and rear cameras, with Starvis 2 IMX6678 sensors to ensure great low-light recording. The 3-inch screen is the largest of the dash cams I tested this round, and great for viewing videos and managing settings. The companion app makes both of these functions and others even easier, and when you pair your phone with the dash cam via Bluetooth. Built-in GPS records time, date, location, and speed, which can serve as crucial evidence after an accident. Basic driver assist alerts warn you about drifting across lanes, pedestrians ahead, and other hazards. When hardwired to a car and with an optional 4G modem added, the 70mm 4K A810 can provide 24/7 surveillance and uses AI motion detection to monitor a vehicle. I had some issues connecting to the app at first, but everything worked great. I once got it paired. At number 4, the Escort Max Cam 360C. The Escort Max Cam 360C is 2 devices in one, a dash cam and a radar detector, which is a great space saver on your windshield. There are other dash cam radar detector combos out there, but this is the only one that puts both devices together in a single unit. The Max Cam 360C offers basic driver assist features, such as an emergency mayday alert and a parking mode that protects for your car while you're away. It also has GPS and features both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support, allowing you to view radar alerts, your route, and other information on your vehicle's in-dash display. Aside from the high price tag, it's by far the most expensive of all my picks. I don't love that it doesn't have a display, which means you can control settings and review footage using the Escort Drive Smarter app. This would be fine, except that I had quite a bit of difficulty getting the device to sync with the app, and even more, getting the app to play video files. Recording in 1440p resolution with an older Sony Starvis sensor, the image quality is good, but not great, and suffers more in low-light situations than other dash cams I've tested. Next up, the 70mm 4K Omni dash cam. If you want to cover almost every angle around your car, I recommend the 70mm 4K Omni. Its front camera rotates 340 degrees, with a wider than average 146-degree field of view. Using AI motion detection, the camera automatically follows moving objects. With an optional 4G LTE modem, you can also control the camera from your phone to view live footage remotely. The dashcam's 4K resolution captures crisp video, and Sony Starvis 2 image processing documents minute details in low-light conditions. Combined with 70mm's LumiVision Night Owl Vision technologies, and you get clear, full-color recording, even in near-total darkness. The built-in GPS tracks the car's location and speed, and in the event of a collision or sudden impact. With all the incredible features, there's one flaw. It has the smallest screen of the dash cams I tested. That said, I didn't feel it was any more difficult to use than the slightly larger screen of the Vantrue E360. Similarly, I was consistently impressed with how easy it was to use its advanced features. At number 2 is the Myo 5 Mini 2. In addition to being easy on the wallet, the Myo 5 Mini 2 is easy to use and gives you dual camera footage with decent image quality. Its Quad HD front and 1080p rear cameras have a 130-degree field of view, which do a respectable job of capturing details in most lighting conditions. They struggled in dark environments though. Without a built-in screen, you can only review your footage from the Mini 2 using the Myo 5 app on your phone via Wi-Fi. That said, you can also view, download, and share your recordings without removing the memory card. It also has GPS and a parking monitoring feature, and Myo 5 provides free over-the-air updates, firmware upgrades to keep the device updated. And at number 1, the best dash cam is the Vantrue E360. This dash cam records in 5.2K resolution 5184 x 1944p, the highest fidelity of the options I tested. It features a 210-degree view for its front, outside, and rear inside lenses, with a unique dynamic image stitching technology. I haven't come across this feature in any others that produces incredibly clear video quality. Using Sony Starvis 2 and HDR technology for excellent low light performance, the E360 features 8 infrared lights that help the front and inside cameras capture clear images, even in total darkness. It responds to voice commands in 5 languages, so you can quickly record video, take a photo, turn the screen on or off, and more. I tried speaking in English and Spanish and found that it was fairly responsive when parked, but less so while driving. The 1.54-inch touchscreen can be challenging to operate given its size, but the interface is intuitive and many of the settings are duplicated in the app. I had 0 issues with the adhesive mount. A magnetic release allows you to easily detach the camera from the mount, but since the power cord attaches to the mount and not the camera, you can't adjust the settings while it's detached. Built-in 5 GHz. Wi-Fi provides fast downloads when connected to the dashcam's smartphone app, and onboard GPS will log location, speed, and driving routes. Given that it has the highest resolution in my test and the best low, no light performance, this dashcam is an easy recommendation for most drivers. I like its compact form factor and found that despite the small screen size, it's easy to use. So there you have it, our picks for the top 6 best dash cams. Be sure to check the link description below for the latest price and availability. Which one are you going for? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and tap that bell icon for more top tech reviews. Drive safe, and we'll see you in the next video.